Hello children, good morning all of you. Hope everybody are safe at home. So today we are going to discuss about 8th class assignment 6, 4th September. Topic is exponents and powers children. Type of test is descriptive. So if we come back to the model of descriptive examination, it is consisting 3 Romans. First Roman 1 mark questions 2, second Roman 2 mark questions 2, third Roman essay type question, it is 4 mark questions only 1. Okay children. Now let us come back to the explanation of this question assignment. So let us come back to first one of the first Roman children. Find the value of minus 5 whole to the power of 4 into minus 5 whole to the power of 1. So we need to multiply these two values. So minus 5 raised 4 times as well as minus 5 raised 1 time. So as you know, this is in the form of a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. From this property we can say minus 5 raised 4 times and 1 time together 4 plus 1 time children. So 4 plus 1 5 times. So when minus 5 raised 5 times, minus raised odd number of times, 5 odd number of times, it is minus children. So 5 raised 5 times, 5 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25, 1 more 5. So 25 25s are 625 into 5. So this is 3125. This is 3125. Let us check it once. 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 2 plus 2 12, 1 and 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31. So what is the value of minus 5 whole power 4 into minus 5 whole power 1 children? This is minus of 3125 children. So second one of the first Roman. Second one of the first Roman. Simplify 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 4 into 16 to the power of minus 2, 16 to the power of minus 2 into 4 to the power of 0, 4 to the power of 0. See here, 4 to the power of 4 keep as it is. 16 can be written as 4 4s are 16, you know very well. So I can represent in base exponent form 4 square. 4 power 0 will keep as it is. So this is in the form of a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n children. A power m into m. So this is 4 power 2 into minus 2 minus 4 into 4 power 0. Again it is in the form of a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n children. So this is 4 to the power of, add all the powers, 4 minus 4 plus 0. So 4 plus minus 4, plus of minus minus. So again these two are cancelled. So 4 power 0, again this value becomes 1. Because you know a not equal to 0, then a power 0 value becomes 1. So what is the value of 4 power 4 into 16 power minus 2 into 4 power 0 children? It is 1. let us come back to second Roman. So third question from the second Roman is find the value of x such that find the value of x such that 3 power 6 whole to the power of 4 is equal to 3 power 12x is equal to 3 power 12x. So from this 3 power 6 whole power 4 is in the form of a power m whole power n. So this is a power mn, m into n. So from this is 3 power 6 into 4. So again, if a power m is equal to a power n, then m is equal to n. So powers 6 into 4, 24 is equal to 12x. 12x means 12 into x. So therefore, if you want x, this is 24 by 12, therefore 2. So what is the value of x, children? Value of x is equal to 2 when the identity is given like 3 power 6 whole power 4 is equal to 3 to the power of 12 into x, children. So this is our third question. So let us come back to fourth question. So fourth one from the second Roman. This is write the usual form of first one 5.8 into 10 power 7. 5.8 into 10 power 7. See children, see this is 5.8 into 10 raised 7 times, children. For example, 10 raised 2 times, it is nothing but 10 into 10, that means 100. So power is indicating number of zeros when 10 raised as mentioned number of times. So as base is raised 2 times, we have 2 zeros are there in the product. Similarly, as base raised 7 times, we have 7 zeros are there in the product. Now, when you are multiplying 5.8 with this largest number, for one, we have 1 digit after decimal point. So, whenever you multiply 58 ones are 58, after we have 7 zeros actually. Now, we need to keep decimal point 1 digit before. So this is 58 after 6 zeros. So this is the usual form of the given standard form. So what is this 5.8 into 10 power 7? What is the usual form of 5.8 into 10 power 7, children? This is actually 5 crores 80 lakhs. This is actually 5 crores 80 lakhs, children. So we have second one of the fourth one. What is that, children? 32.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of minus 4. So children, this is 32.5 into, transpose the numerator from denominator. transpose this value from numerator to denominator, then power of symbol will be changed from minus 4 to plus 4. Power of symbol will be changed from minus 4 to plus 4. Then this is 32.5, 1 jar 32.5 by, this is 10 raised 4 times, so we have 4 zeros number, and again we need to cancel the decimal point, so we have 1 digit after decimal point, so let us multiply with 1 zero number. So this is 325 by 0, for 1 digit is getting cancelled, 325 by 5 zeros. So again, if you are expressing into the decimal form, so as we have, this is, so smallest number, like, as we have 5 zeros are there in the denominator, we need to keep the decimal point 5 digits before, but we have only 3 digits are given in the we have in the numerator. So instead of 4th digit and 5th digit, let us keep zeros, as we don't have 4th, 5th digits in numerator. Then, and as there is no integer part, 0 before the decimal point. So this is the usual form of 32.5 into 10 power minus 4, children. What is the usual form of 32.5 into 10 power minus 4? This is 0.00325. Okay, children. So let us come back to our next last Roman 4 mark question. So this is third Roman, 5th question. Simplify. Simplify 2 by 5 whole power minus 3 2 by 5 whole power minus 3 into 25 by 4 whole power minus 2. Okay, children. So this is, as you know, children, 2 by 5 whole power minus 3, when the fraction is reciprocal, then power of symbol will be changed. That means 2 by 5 is changed as 5 by 2, then negative exponent will be changed as positive exponent. And again into, here also, this is 25 by 4, if you are changing, if you are interchanging the numerator and denominator, the negative exponent will be taking as positive exponent, children. Now this is 5 by 2 3 times. Okay, just keep it. Then this is 2 by 5 whole square, because 2 raised 2 times 4, 5 raised 2 times 25. So this is a power m whole power n, a power m into n, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. Now if you see 5 by 2 raised how many times, children? 3 times. And 2 by 5 raised how many times, children? 4 times. So here we have 3 2s are there. If you cancel 3 2s, denominator 3 2s, but numerator 4 2s. So 1 2 will be left in numerator, and numerator 5 raised 3 times, denominator 5 raised 4 times. So we have 1 5 left in the denominator. So what is the simplified form of 2 by 3 whole power minus 3 into 25 by 4 whole power minus 2, children? This is 2 by 5. So this is the today's assignment 6 explanation, children. So that's all for today's explanation. Have a nice day and keep working. Thank you.